Okay, so you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. There will be a Phillips head screwdriver included in the package you buy from us, but otherwise you just need a Phillips head screwdriver from the house. There's 4 screws. You can see there's 2 right here, and then there's obviously 2 over here as well. And you just have to unscrew those to get it off. Now unscrewing them is the easy part. Screwing them back in, they're a bit of a pain. I have to give it to them for that. But let's get to unscrewing them first. So I'm just going to, as you can see, I've already installed one of our new headbands right here because it has holes in it and the original one doesn't. Right, there you go. First screw's out. Important thing to note here is that the screw has 2 pieces to it. You have like a cap or a body that goes over top of the main screw, and it fits like that. It's important to note, especially when you're doing the installation. Alright, second one's out. So do that for both sides and you are good to go.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.
Okay, so the easiest way I found to attach this headband and to get these screws to fit in easily is what you want to do is actually, first thing you need to do is pick the hole that you want to use, or the set of holes you want to use for the headband. I'm going to use the third one. Because the screw has a body on it, you can see that little body on it, you're going to have to kind of force it into the leather hole. So it goes in that far, and then you're going to have to push it through like that. And once you push it through like that, take the screw out. So screw stays there and the body of the screw is in. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Alright, now I'm going to take the headband and I'm going to line it here with the holes. You can feel when the hole goes in, when the back side here of the screw body goes into the actual position it's supposed to fit into on these 2 spots. And it's the small part here, not the big part there. This is for the front of the screw because it sits inside and flattens like so. That's important to know. So this is the back. I'm going to align that with those holes. That's in place. I'm just going to hold it like that. I'm going to take the screw and put it in. Oops. I'm just going to use my hand to screw it into place at first. So that one's in. That's good. I'll flip it over. Put that screw in again. Make sure it's in the plastic spot. Yes. There we go. Give it a couple twists. Don't tighten it all the way though. We want to get all 4 into position before we tighten them completely. So over here, I'm going to do one. Take that out. Now if you don't take the screw out, it can fall out. So if you just turn it over like that, it'll fall right out. So be careful. If you lose the screw, you're in trouble because there's no extra ones. Now if you're finding it difficult to get the body of the screw into the hole, you can take your screwdriver and just twist it around a bit there to make it a little bit bigger. All right. Okay, I'll line that one. And in place, and I'll screw it in with my finger. A couple screws with that. Flip it over. Same thing over here. It's a bit hard to see me doing that because my fingers are bigger than the screw. But you can see this is quite straightforward. So now we have all 4 screws in place. They're not tightened, we're just going to tighten them all the way up. This one here as well. I'm going to just use my right hand. There we go. Installed, no problem.